Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on a little time travel journey. Not back to the 90s, not even to the early 2000s, but to the strange and forgotten era of 2013. When flip phones were still barely hanging on. For the past few days, I've been using this phone right here, the Alcatel One Touch 2012G. And yes, I've been using it in 2025, in a world full of AI, 5G, foldable screens, and ChatGPT. I've gone full retro. The first thing you'll notice about the 2012G is the design. It's a flip phone, but not like the classic Motorola Razr. It has a small 2.8-inch screen, a T9 keypad, a tiny rear camera, and not much else. No touchscreen, no apps, no internet browser. It's super light, fits in your pocket with room to spare, and yes, flipping it open and closed is still satisfying as hell. So what can this thing do in 2025? First and foremost, calls and texts. The call quality is surprisingly decent, and T9 texting, well, if you remember how to use it, it's kind of fun. You don't get predictive emojis or GIFs, just plain old school typing. No group chats, no typing indicators, just you and the message. It's refreshingly quiet, like I had a whole day without a single notification. I forgot how peaceful that is. Believe it or not, this phone has a few multimedia features. You can listen to FM radio, play MP3 files from a micro SD card, and even set custom ringtones. There's a tiny VGA camera on the back, and I mean tiny. I took a few pictures and they look like they were taken with a potato in a foggy room, but there's charm in that low-res nostalgia. Also, there's a Bluetooth option, which actually works. I used it to send a song from one old phone to another, like it's 2010 again. One of the best things about this phone? The battery life. I charged it on Monday, and by Thursday, it still had over 50% left. That's almost unheard of in 2025, when we're constantly topping up our phones. No GPS, no social apps, no background updates equals no battery drain. It's simple, and it just works. Of course, there are limitations. No WhatsApp, no email, no Instagram, no real web browser. It's not made for productivity or content creation. You'll struggle to use it as your only phone unless your lifestyle is extremely offline. Also, 2G and 3G networks are being shut down in many countries, so depending on where you live, this phone might not even be able to connect. So why use a phone like this in 2025? Maybe you want a digital detox, maybe you need a backup phone, or maybe you're just tired of being too connected all the time. This phone won't pull you into an endless scroll. It won't drain your brain with notifications. It forces you to be present, to simplify, and honestly, that's kind of beautiful. So using the Alcatel One Touch 2012G in 2025, it's impractical. It's outdated, but it's also weirdly freeing. I wouldn't use it as my main phone, but as a weekend detox device, absolutely. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little tech time capsule, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the oldest phone you still have? Would you use it today? I'll see you in the next one.